Welcome to another episode of Sculpt Psychology Podcast, where we explore the wonders of how our minds develop and process information. Today, we'll embark on a journey through the fascinating world of memory and information processing. How does cognition involve the encoding, structuring, and retrieval of knowledge? Imagine cognition as a master architect building the blueprint of understanding. It encodes, structures, stores, and retrieves knowledge, much like crafting a magnificent story. Nassier 1967 beautifully described this cognitive tapestry, but how does this masterpiece take shape over time? Let's talk about developmental aspects. Let's unveil the developmental layers of cognition. Flavel 2002 identify crucial aspects. Brain changes. Our minds, like clay, mold and adapt through biological maturation and experiences, evolving in capacity and efficiency. Neural network. Think of it as a constantly evolving cityscape. Connection in our mental network shape and remodel with each new experience. Emergent concept. Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, new ideas emerge from adapting to a changing environment. Problem solving and metacognition. Our ability to solve problems and understand our own thought processes grows with time. So, how does encoding evolve with age and experience? The magic of encoding. Dempster 1981 suggests that a 5-year-old might remember less than an adult. Experience plays a role too. Novices versus experts. Novices struggle to retain information, whereas experts excel due to their structured domain-specific knowledge. Now let's talk about structuring and organizing. Picture a child's mind as a blank canvas, slowly painted with organizational browsers. Initially, younger children lack strategies to remember information, but as they grow, they adopt and refine these strategies, integrating them into their learning toolkit. How do children develop the ability to categorize and form concepts? Categorization, the art of grouping thoughts, evolves over time. Roche and colleagues 1981 unveiled the developmental nuances. For instance, it's easier to conceptualize dog or cat than the broader animal. Understanding similarities and differences between members of a concept is key. Let's talk about storage, retrieval, and strategy development. Storage and retrieval, the dance of memory. Infants achieve object permanence around 7 months, grasping that objects still exist even when out of sight. As they grow, their ability to recall complex sequences, events expands and fueled by language development. So, what is the journey of strategy development in children? And the secret is arsenal. They are not linear. They pause, regress, and they surge forward. Even after appearing mature, they continue evolving. Children's use of strategies varies, fluctuating and intervening in their learning journey. Our minds are dynamic landscape, evolving with every experience and age. Understanding these developmental stages empowers us to nurture young minds and create tailored learning experiences. That's a wrap for today's podcast. Until next time, keep exploring the colorful tapestry of cognitive world. You are listening to Yogendra, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.